Hello pilots, and welcome back to Sporty's Pilot Shop. Today we're celebrating the 2025 Gear of the Year Awards. We have a ton of amazing products here at Sporty's, and these are the favorites, voted on by you the customer, as well as our staff of expert pilots. The most popular ADS-B receiver for 2025 is the ForeFlight Sentry. The Sentry has the right combination of price, capability, and size for most pilots. WAAS-enabled GPS, dual band ADS-B providing both weather and traffic, and built-in AHRS, all in a small package with a CO detector and massive battery life. The most popular handheld radio is the Sporty's PJ2 COM radio. It's the only radio that has PJ plugs on the top of the unit, so you can take a headset out of the panel and plug it directly into the radio. It is super easy to use with this oversized keypad and large screen, and features a Type-C port on the side, so you can power the unit with the same cable that you power an iPad with. The best aviation smartwatch is the Garmin D2 Air X15. It is a full-featured smartwatch with all the notifications and fitness features you've come to know and love, as well as all the aviation features that Garmin has added to their amazing line of smartwatches. The size is very similar to other smartwatches on the market. The color touchscreen is really simple to use, and it even has a flashlight. The best backup battery is the new Flight Gear Battery Max. This monster has over 27,000 milliamp hours of power. It can power all your devices in your cockpit. iPads, Sentries, even Starlink Minis can be run off this one device. 2 Type-C ports and 1 Type-A port on the top, and an integrated color screen tells you how much juice is coming out, as well as how much juice you're putting in when you're charging. Sporty's courses are used by tens of thousands of pilots every year, and the most innovative new feature for 2025 is ChatCFI. ChatCFI is your personal flight instructor, available 24/7. Have a question while watching a video or taking an FAA practice test? Get an instant, accurate answer from anywhere in the course. The best hidden gem for 2025 are these magnetic charging cables. Oftentimes your cables get in a rat's nest when laying around the cockpit. The magnets inside of these cables help retract them and keep them organized when you stow them in your bag. The best flashlight for 2025 is the Flight Gear Smart Rechargeable Flashlight. It has a screen on the front that tells you your battery information, a slider switch here on the side for red and white lights, and you double click this button to get a floodlight at the bottom. Double-sided clip makes it perfect for attaching to a seatbelt or to a hat. Sporty's sells a ton of flight bags, and our most favorite flight bag for 2025 is the all-new Flight Gear Stealth Bag. Its all-black design and hideaway shoulder straps make this a favorite among commercial operators. Big, beefy handle makes it extremely strong, and there's plenty of space inside of here for computers, iPads, headsets, and even water bottles or radios on the side pockets. The experts at aviationgifts.com have been hard at work inventing brand new products for the aviation marketplace. And the top gift for 2025 is these solar-powered Runway Taxiway lights. They're available in white, blue, green, and red. The 2025 Gear of the Year Award for headsets goes to the new Lightspeed Zulu 4. Frame-fit ear seals make wearing glasses comfortable, even on long cross-country flights. Dual Bluetooth capability means I can connect an iPad and an iPhone at the same time. And an AI-enhanced microphone makes those iPhone calls that much more clear. And those are the products that got the Gear of the Year Award for 2025. Make sure you subscribe so you can see next year's Gear of the Year Awards.